Hello guys, today we're off on a little bit of a staycation to the Grove Hotel, which isn't far at all from us, but they've actually recently refurbished it and there's a pool there with loads of stuff to do for kids, so I'm really excited to go. We're only staying for one night, but I'm hoping that my partner's going to extend it for us so we can stay another day because the weather is just so good. So yeah, so excited. Gonna bring you guys along with me, and obviously as usual we're in a massive rush. I'm just sitting in the car waiting for my partner. It's been frantic trying to get out of the house this morning just for a one night stay, but I'm really hoping we haven't forgot anything. If we have, whatever, it's fine. Wow, I just had my massage and that was absolutely incredible. I literally feel like a new person, but I feel slightly dazed a little bit. I'm just walking down to the pool now to see if I can find my partner and Capri, because I'm guessing they're going to be at the pool. Hopefully by now. She was asleep in the car and he was just waiting with her while she had a quick nap in the car while I ran to my appointment. He's got his appointment now. He's gonna have a massage as well, so I've got about 20 minutes to find them. I'm hopefully gonna grab some lunch. I think I need a coffee. Oh my god, I need a coffee. We ran out of coffee beans this morning and I'm suffering this morning. I nearly fell asleep in that massage, to be fair, but that's probably a good thing. You probably don't want coffee and then to have a massage, do you? It's probably a good idea to have a coffee now. But yeah, that's the plan. Nope. It's a big step, that one. How stunning is this room? Beautiful how they've decorated it. Got a little dressing table here. Use that tonight to get ready for dinner. And then just out here, we've actually got a little seating area, so we can even sit outside later on and enjoy. And then they've given us a little cot for Capri with some goodies. Oh, so cute. He said that's her little bathrobe, and then just some little bits for her shower. And then there's loads of wardrobe space in there. Not that we need loads, because we're only here one night. We've been left some cookies, baby. Then we've got some coffee and tea bits here. She said coffee, tea and milk is complimentary. And then there's other little bits that you can order from the minibar. It's not a bad minibar. And then the bathroom is just absolutely stunning. They've got this standalone bath, which we'll definitely be using tonight. And then they've got all the Bamford Spa bits again in here. Lots of towels to use. And then if we want, we've also got a shower that we can use. And our bathrobes, which is lovely. And then another little vanity space to get ready. And a mirror with a close-up. We just got delivered a little dog bed, a dog bowl, dog mat, so cute, little dog toy. What's this? Poo bags, dog treats, beetroot bites, and a little towel, and a little basket, so cute. And we only had to pay £50 to bring the dog. You get all this. I don't know if you get to keep it, maybe you have to give it back, but still, that is really cute. Okay guys, this is what I'm wearing. And of course we're running really late. My partner went back to the house to pick the dog up and I'm still not ready in time. He's not here yet. We've had to move the reservation out again to 9 o'clock and and Capri hasn't slept since 12 o'clock, so I'm really hoping that she doesn't have a meltdown, because she's just been so good since we've been here. I'm so proud of her. I literally cannot believe it. She's been so good. I think because there's just so much to entertain kids here, but even in the room while I was getting ready, she was just so well behaved, so happy about that. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. It did start raining though about 5 minutes ago. It looks really dull and dismal, and I've kind of got a summer holiday type outfit on, so I'm not sure how warm I'm going to be, but I look cute, so what can we say?